I can do that. Let's pause it when he's playing. Oh yeah, it's totally coming from his butt, isn't it? Let's see. Where is he? Miss Muffet. Empty. I'm gonna call this mouth. And where are you, mouth? There you are. Your mouth shall be there. And now, oh crap, I forgot. I totally told myself I wasn't gonna do that either. Hold on. Alright. Let's do that again. Create empty. Mouth. It's gonna be here. Now, I'm going to copy it. Now I'm gonna stop playing. Now I'm gonna paste it. On to Miss Muffet. That's totally not right either. It'll be there. And then on the attack for Miss Muffet, the spawn point will now be from the mouth. Let's try that. See if that looks better. Ah! What? Oh, the mouth has to be part of the sprite. Oh, that might have broken the connection. Let's make sure there's prefab. Okay, cool. It's because the sprite flips. Okay, let's make it a little lower. That's pretty close. Oh my god, cat. No, feline. No, don't kill her. Don't kill her. Ha ha ha. I'm God, I control everything. Okay, cool. Oh, Schnoggles. Oh, my special little helper. Hi. Why? Why? He's very helpful. Eat his face. Ow. Yeah, kitty kisses. Okay. Ah! Oh. Ah, man. Sometimes I forget to switch back. Sorry. There. See? Changing where it comes from. Being shot from. Dodging is important. So is burning your enemies alive. Wah! Oh, I forgot I gave her more life. Gosh darn it. Ow, 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 ow. Ah! You shall not defeat me! Oh my god, die. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and Visual Studio is free. I wouldn't call it a crappy version. But also, if you're a developer and you bug Microsoft, they'll just give you free everything, including like Visual Studio. So. She does have a death animation. It's not a fancy one. It was kind of like a temporary one. She kind of like sits down and slumps over. But the death music sells it. Oh, the fire effect is temporary. It's just particles that I created. I will make a note, though, to make sure that is changed. More comments on the fire effect and how it seems out of place in the world. Not in the fireplace, but when used via the fire potions. Oops, potions. I love mechanical keyboards. Oh my god, Cat, you're like making it impossible to see around you. Currently on this project, there is me and 2 artists and an audio guy. So 4. With kind of random support people here and there, but 4 people who are like working actively on it. And then there's like a writer who I occasionally write things and then throw them to get him to review it. And my mom, who I occasionally write things and then throw them to her to review them because she majored in literature, got her master's in literature. And then there's Matt, who helps run all of the servers for like the company's website. All right, fine. She's gonna die. Just sit here and stand in fire. You happy? Well, I accidentally killed her with fire on it. But there, she died. You happy? And also, hey! Oh, Cat, your head is in the way. Oh my god, you're so cute though. Holy crap. Oh, sheepy kitty. Sorry. Yeah. That can be fixed. Is the spider walking into her? If the spider's walking into her, that can be fixed. Yeah, that's an easy fix. Preferred aggro range. 3. Let's try that. No, it should be more than that. 3.5. No. What's our melee attack range? Let's try 3. See, that just like sits there. No! There you go. Luckily, a lot of these things I've thought about before, so that's why she has a preferred range, or they have preferred ranges. Cat! You're in my stream! No, there's no water up here. I drank it all. Thief. My cat likes stealing my water. He doesn't like drinking water out of his bowl. He likes drinking water out of my glass. To the point where he gets excited if I'm pouring water. So I'll have to like leave cups of water for him around the house that are outside of his food bowl. Yeah, cat butt. He is now sleeping on the cat bus. Well, inside out cat bus, but cat bus. Alright. Beef jerky. Let's see. Making this spider do something else. Just go back to the code then. Alright. So this is normal spell. Spell 1. Ninja spell 2. That's pretty easy to do. Just everything that has a 1 after it, we copy and make it 2. Sorry, I hope I'm not eating too loud. So, I have a bull on cooldown. Which is great and all. Except for I probably want 2 different cooldowns. So we're gonna have on cooldown 1 and on cooldown 2. But now we have a cooldown timer that we need to know a cooldown. Do you have 2 coroutine things in your iron rare? Hmm. Weird. Alright. Cooldown bull. Equals false. No, stop that. Cool. I don't know what refractor is. Oh. Hmm? Hmm. Start cast 1. Hmm. I'm gonna be really terribly lazy. This is not optimal, but I don't care. Sometimes what you learn when you're making game code is that making it work and work quickly is better than making it the most, like, technically efficient code. I mean, it's really good to write your code properly because you don't want it to lag, but if it is easier to just sort of copy and paste some code versus writing like a new function that takes in some sort of thing you set up. So if not on cooldown 1, start cast 1. Else if not on cooldown 2. Whoops, start cast 1. Start coroutine. Start cast 2. Yay. Yep. Sure, I read it. Let's see. Alright, let's go back to Unity. Here we go. We'll do the same. So this will have longer cooldown. Oops. We need new effects. Cake. Okay. Come on, there we go. Effects 2. Woo. Poison pull. Ooh, I think it's venom pull actually. Venom pull. Yeah. What are they on the normal monsters? Let's see. 5, 10. Okay. Miss Buffett. Strength. 10. 10. Very powerful. You can use the same cast sound. That's fine for me for now. Spell proves to have shoes be shot. Venom shot. Neat. Save, play. See, this works. Ho ho ho! Look at it! It casts 2 spells now. Problem is, it doesn't finish the animation of one before casting the other. Uh-oh. That's not good. Well, you're in some weird state, aren't you? Debug. So it's on cooldown 1, and it's on cooldown 2. And it shouldn't be. Yeah, I don't think this is working. I figured that might be the case. Whoop. That's okay, 'cause we got this fixed super fast. Ah! Oops, sorry. What I was doing here was I just made the cooldown timer not take its own boolean, and just made 2 cooldown timers. Okay. So let's see if that works. Play. Hey, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Aww. Cool. Cool. Haha. Oh. Weird. You see that? That's not right. Oh, that's also not right. Let's fix that. Venom Pool shouldn't affect yourself, Miss Buffett. Venom Pool. Immune Monster 3. The other one is Miss Buffett. Save. Play. Why is that spiderweb not lasting? Miss Buffett. Oh, it somehow lost its slowing. 5, duration 5, radius doesn't really matter, prefab web. Spit at me, spider! Oh no! Ah! Dying of fire! You will die on this one. Yes. Victory! Oh man, I wish this is a jump. Just pretend this is jump. Yay! Like awkwardly teabag corpses. That's great. Oh well. Door. Alright, so we have her using 2 spells. That's pretty cool. We should still make the new spell though. Let's see. New spell, new spell. What should the new spell be? Yes, there are potions that will buff herself instead of just throwing them. She has a health potion. Do you want to see those? Here, I'll just go make a health potion. Please bear with me. You have to listen to her grandmother talking. Oh, no. I totally broke this. Screen fader on. Woo. Save. Okay. Now she can go. I'm spamming past my own dialogue. Except for this is as fast as it'll let you go. I should make sure to save this. Renee, save this. Right? As soon as I'm done with this. Yes, Granny. Who? You, of course, my dear. I need to make this dialogue a lot shorter. Okay, there you go. Duh. Copy component. I have health potions, right? I do. Yeah, I have a lot. Let's add them to my inventory. Oh, that's awkward. Well, we can go see here. Yes, I do. So, one of the potions she has is a consumable potion, and she drinks it, and it looks awesome. See? Ah, it's rainbows! Yeah! I guess it helps if she's damaged. Fight me! Die! Okay, now you can see her heal. Yay! Full life! Yeah. Yes, but an attack. An AoE attack in front of her. Let's make a new empty thing called far attack. Far attack. And it's gonna have a collider. Box collider. Which is going to be far. Not that -5, this -5. And it's going to be tall and wide. Even wider than that. And tall. And it's going to be a trigger. And I need to turn off debug. It's weird. Okay. No. Normal. Ah! Normal. There we go. And we should give it an image. Just so we know what it looks like. Let's use some random thing from our images. Sprites, 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 sprites. See, I should just use something random. Dialog box. Layer, active background, positioning. Ah, crap. Should be out here, which means this collider offset should be like 0. Fine. There. This is like an attack. It's going to be disabled for now. Let's see. Miss Muffet, do you know your attack effect? How do you find it? Monster attack melee. You do not. How do you know where you are? Oh well. We'll see. Simple attack effect script. Script by Wesley. Handles simple attack effects. Oh, that's cool. One of the few pieces of code in the game that I didn't write. Yeah, I can wait till the end of animation to add health. Let me put in my list of things that I will look into. Woo! Add health at end of potion consumption animation. That's cool. I learned to code a little bit in school, but mostly by coding. The internet? Just doing it. Programming. I like problem solving and puzzle solving. Programming is just solving really complex puzzles with very simple tools. So it is right up my alley in regards to things I like to do. So it was easy to be passionate about it. Speaking of code, I was going to look at the melee attack. Let's see. Monster melee attack. Boop. Right. I'm going to steal this. Some of this. Most of this part. And I'm going to take it and put it in my... Where are you? There you are. Sure, girl stats. Make girl stats a thing. We don't need our sprite to be a thing yet. We already have our animator, but we do want this thing that's called transform attack effect, but it's not called that anymore. It's called fire attack. And we will want to find fire attack. Fire attack! Dun dun dun! Fire attack! And none of this else matters. Death to you. Semicolon. Cool. So now I have this fire attack thing. And I guess let's see. So if a girl's not dead, and it's aggressive, and it's on global cooldown, and then it's with less than the aggro range. That aggro range. Oh, it's because of the distance of the spell. Weird. Let's see. Else if not on far attack cooldown, which I'm going to create, and a girl let's make this a float distance to girl equals this. And make this distance to girl, and so let's say on far attack cooldown bull. We should start false just in case some weirdness there. So if not on fire attack cooldown, float. Let's see, public float, far attack, min range. It's gonna be a float, and we're gonna have the opposite, so far attack max range, and distance to girl is less than far attack max range, and distance to girl is greater than far attack min range. Then start coroutine far attack guest. Yay! Obviously, far attack cast does not yet exist. So we're gonna steal some code. As you do. Far attack guest. Far attack cooldown. True. Global cooldown. True. Fire attack. I guess it's still. We'll just have a spell in here. Change to far attack cast animation. Whee. So far attack cast time. Public flow. Far attack cast time. Oh, wait for seconds. Sure. This makes no sense. There's the global cooldown, which is on true. I'm supposed to wait for the far attack cast time. This is assuming the global cooldown. is greater than the cast time. Only works properly. Global cooldown is greater than the cast time. Oh my god, it smells like super sunny outside. I might have to go grab some sun as soon as I finish this. So, no direction. We don't have direction. Direction doesn't exist here. If I'm not dead... Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay. So this is going to be far attack cast set. That's game object. That's set active. It's true. Wait. Do I not have a fire attack cast? Verlust. Ah, I might have to grab it. How do you get the attack effect? Ah. We see. So, transform. Far attack. Effect. Far attack. Sure. Wait, now I have 2 fire attacks? I'm so confused. It's probably because it's down here. Yep. I'll just leave it there. That's correct. Fire attack. Which is this? And I will need to start a coroutine. Just not this one. Save. Let's just make sure that this enables. Nope. Okay. Unidentified everything. One error. Oh. Boop. Save. Unity. Play. Oh, I don't have a fire attack. Ah, that kind of helps having that distance. It's like -5. Let's see. 4 to 6. 2. Whatever. Oh! To go active? Yep. Oh, look at that. It just totally should have attacked me. Cool. So this is great. What I would do next is that when this, see that occurs there, I would then put a script onto the attack effect itself, which would remove it from the parent so it won't move with the spider. Then start an animation, and then check for anything colliding with it, and do damage to whatever's colliding with it. However, it is a beautiful 80-degree day, probably one of the last ones I get to see in a while, so I'm going to go out and enjoy the sun a bit. I know, I'm awful, should work more, but I need a little bit of a break. And I also need to eat, so I will probably like make a burger and eat it in the sun. So thanks for joining me. Please subscribe. I will try to be streaming more often. And also, if you're interested in just hearing me talk about this whole game development process, I do have a YouTube channel. All that information can be found in the beautiful boxes below. So, thanks for watching. Bye.